We're going to set up an experiment with the laser shooting at a X in the bottom of a cup. And notice that we've got the laser light at the middle of the X. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some water to the cup to see what will happen, if anything, to the laser light when it travels through the water. Can you see what's happening? Take a closer look. Where is the laser light now? Notice it's not on the X. Hey guys, it's Mr. Temmie here. Hey, up here, the top right of your screen. So what we're going to show you is how laser works when it travels into different substances. You can see over to the left, I have a laser. You can see I can move it around and I can turn it on with this red button. And notice the red laser, you know how laser light travels. It's traveling in a straight line. We can see right now that laser's moving down, traveling and pointing at the house at the bottom of the screen. You can move the laser around a little bit, but I want to point it at that house. This computer program will allow us to change what materials are on the top of the screen and what materials are on the bottom of the screen. You can see I have some controllers here. So let's go ahead and add some water to the bottom of the screen and notice what happens to the laser when we add water. Notice that at the bottom, the laser is no longer pointing at the house. Why? Well, many of you already know why, but we can see that when a laser light passes through water, it bends the light. And so we have this light is bending slightly as it goes through the water. We call that refraction, okay? You can see the word over here on the right, refraction. And that's when light is being bent, it's bending, okay? But look at the top. What is the laser light doing up at the top of the screen? That's right. At the top of the screen, the light is reflecting or bouncing off of the surface of the water, okay? So we can see both reflection of light bouncing off of the surface of the water like a mirror, but we also have laser light traveling into the water, okay? And that's refraction. You can see when you move the laser how the light will change. Oh, look, straight down, it goes straight in, right? So this is how light works when traveling into water. Hey, do you know what would happen if light was passing into glass? Let's take a look. When passing into glass, you'll notice the light bends a little bit more than water. So go from air to glass. We can see since glass is heavier and thicker than water, it bends the light a little bit more. And this is one reason why glass is made for glasses, because the light can be bent and help people to see. Have you ever used a straw to drink water? If so, you've probably seen refraction before. Take a look. Where the straw enters the water, you might notice the straw looks bigger on the bottom. The straw might even look broken. See that? Straw looks broken. And that's all because of refraction. So keep an eye out for refraction in your everyday lives, and I hope you've learned a little bit more about how light bends.